Spatial labeling, leveraging spatial layout for improving label quality in non-expert image annotation. Manual image annotation is a labor-intensive process. It is often necessary to recruit non-expert annotators due to the lack of expert annotators. However, image labeling by non-experts can be very difficult and contains many errors because non-experts have insufficient domain knowledge. In such a case, label quality may be relatively low. We propose to leverage spatial layout for improving label quality in non-expert image annotation. In this spatial layout interface, an open space is provided. On the open space, the annotator first spatially layouts incoming images and labels in the open space, placing related items together. It serves as a working space for tentative labeling. During the process, the annotator spatially layout images and labels representing their conceptual similarity, and builds domain knowledge observing similarity and differences among the items. After laying out images and labels on the open space, the annotator gives definitive labels to the images based on the results of spatial layout. The user drag and drops one or more images to a label to assign the label to the images. We expect this process to help the annotators to select a label for an image more correctly in the given domain. We run a user study comparing a traditional non-spatial layout and the spatial layout in an image labeling task. In the user evaluation, the participant was asked to label 50 dog images by selecting an appropriate label from a 20-dog breed list. After selecting a label for an image, the participant was then required to indicate their confidence about the selected label by answering a question: "Are you confident with your selected label?" A participant worked on both the spatial and non-spatial layout, but different image data sets were used for each. We measured the time and error rate of the labeling tasks completed by the participants. The results show that the task completion time via the non-spatial and spatial layout has no significant difference. However, the error rate in the spatial layout task is significantly lower than the non-spatial layout. The results also show that annotators feel more confident with their selected labels via the spatial layout than the non-spatial layout during the labeling process. This study has shown that the spatial layout can reduce errors in non-expert image annotation, and increase non-experts' confidence in manual image annotation. Please read the paper for further details. Thank you.